Hey everyone, today I am going to show you how to multiply using the lattice multiplication method. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel after watching this video, and if you're watching from our Facebook page, please follow us here on Facebook. Now, let's get started. So the problem that we're going to try to solve is 16 times 28. As you can see, the boxes are already set up. 16 is written on the top, horizontally, and 28 is written on the side, vertically. Let's look at the box on the upper right-hand corner where there is a side of 6 and a side of 2. So what is 6 times 2? 6 times 2 is 12, so we're going to put down 12 in the box. We're going to put 1 in the first triangle and 2 in the second triangle. Now the box on the upper right-hand corner is filled out. Now let's move on to another box. Let's move on to the box on the upper left-hand corner with the sides of 1 and 2. What is 1 times 2? 1 times 2 is 2, so we're going to put a 2 in that box. But for the first triangle, we're going to put a 0 there because there is no value in the tens place. So we're just going to put a 0 there. And we're going to put a 2 in the second triangle. Since this box is filled out, let's move on to another box. Let's move on to the box on the bottom right-hand corner with the sides of 6 and 8. What is 6 times 8? 6 times 8 is 48, so we're going to put down 48 in that box. We're going to put 4 in the first triangle and 8 in the second triangle. So this box is filled up. Let's move on to the next box, which is on the bottom left-hand corner with the sides of 1 and 8. What is 1 times 8? 1 times 8 is 8, so we're going to put 8 in that box. But we're going to put a 0 in the first triangle because there is no value in the tens place, so we're going to put a 0 there. And we're going to put an 8 in the second triangle. We have filled in all of the boxes, so we are done with multiplying. So what's the next step? The next step is to add diagonally. Let's look at the first diagonal on the bottom right-hand corner. So in the first diagonal, the only number that's there in that triangle is 8, so we're just going to put down 8 right there. Let's look at the next diagonal. There is a 2, there is a 4, and there is an 8, so we're going to add all those numbers together. What is 2 plus 4? 2 plus 4 is 6, and what is 6 plus 8? 6 plus 8 is 14, so we're going to put down a 4 right there, and we're going to carry the 1. Now let's look at the next diagonal. We have 1, 1, 2, and 0. Let's add those numbers together. What is 1 plus 1? 1 plus 1 is 2. What is 2 plus 2? 2 plus 2 is 4. What is 4 plus 0? 4 plus 0 is 4. So we're going to put a 4 there. Let's look at the last diagonal. In that last diagonal, there's a 0 there, so we're not going to put down anything for that diagonal. We are finished with adding diagonally, so we are done this problem. If you look at the bottom of the screen, you'll see where it says 448, and that is the answer to 16 times 28. 16 times 28 is 448. We have figured out what 16 times 28 is using the lattice multiplication method. 16 times 28 is 448. I hope you understood how we solved this problem. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned from this video, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. And if you're watching from our Facebook page, please follow us here on Facebook. Please support us as we create and provide educational videos, so please hit that subscribe button, and if you're watching from our Facebook page, please hit that follow button. Check out more of our videos on YouTube and on our Facebook page. Also stay tuned for more videos.